the Painting Baby Hand channel. Hello kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning to draw and color a granny pig step by step. Let's start by drawing. Outline. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee. Now it's time to coloring. Yellow color. Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. Hope you will enjoy this video. With new videos, see you next time. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.